Here, posse, come to Big Show. Come on, little darling. Come on, Mr. Possum. Here, Mr. Possum. Ants! Ants! Ah!
Today we're talking about survival kits, sometimes known as bug-out bags. In an uncertain world where emergencies can strike at any moment, having a well-equipped survival kit can make all the difference. Assembling a comprehensive survival kit is a crucial step towards safeguarding yourself and your loved ones. Here are our mad-as essential items. When facing adverse conditions, shelter and warmth are paramount for survival. Best to include items such as a sturdy tent or tarp, a compact sleeping bag or emergency blanket, and a portable stove or flint to create warmth and cook food. Additionally, pack waterproof matches, a reliable lighter, cover it in duct tape as duct tape is an excellent accelerant. Dehydration can quickly lead to fatigue and impaired cognitive function, and after 3 days, you're as dry as. Ensure your survival kit contains an adequate supply of potable water or water purification tablets to sustain you until you can find a safe water source. Collapsible water containers like wine goon bags or a durable water bottle should also be included for easy storage and transportation. A neat little bit of kit are these water filter straws, ideal for muddy water or uncertain water supplies. Hi there to all you mad-as preppers. If you want to get your name on this cup, or anything else you can see out there, the dunny, the house, the garden, the garbage pile, the dog, Nuff's toys, the container, the car, the wheelbarrow, the possum spray, just go to madaspreppers.au or madaspreppers.com for all our rich American friends. Good, take, cut, and keep it. Hold on. Okay. Good job.
Love America.
Maintaining energy levels is crucial during emergencies, making it imperative to include non-perishable food items in your survival kit. Opt for lightweight, nutrient-dense options such as energy bars, dried fruits, nuts, and canned goods with pop-top lids for convenience.
Try.
Don't worry, he'll be right. No, go find BigShow. Injuries and illnesses can occur unexpectedly, underscoring the importance of having a well-stocked first aid kit. Include essentials such as adhesive bandages, sterile gauze pads, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, scissors, and over-the-counter medications for pain relief. Customise your kit to accommodate any specific medications and include compression bandages for snake bite.
Snakes.
When navigating unfamiliar terrain or seeking assistance, reliable navigation tools and communication devices are indispensable. Equip your survival kit with a compass or GPS device, maps of the area and a whistle to signal for help if needed. Additionally, consider including a battery-powered or hand-crank radio for receiving vital information and updates during emergencies. Visibility can be severely limited during nighttime or adverse weather conditions, emphasising the need for illumination and signalling tools. Pack durable LED flashlights or headlamps with extra batteries, as well as chemical light sticks for long-lasting light without power source. A signal mirror, brightly coloured flagging tape and a high decibel whistle can also aid rescuers in locating you. Prioritise personal protection and safety by including essential gear such as a multi-purpose knife or multi-tool. Waterproof matches or a lighter wrapped in duct tape. a compact emergency shelter, and a sturdy pair of work gloves.
Good girl, Nuff. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Better move on, Big Show's getting closer. By the way, why don't survivalists play hide and seek? Because they're really good at it, they just don't want to be found. But if you want to be found, it's a good idea to store copies of important documents such as identification cards, passports, insurance information, medical records and emergency contact numbers in a waterproof, even fireproof container or bag within your survival kit. If you choose to return to civilization or stay out of it altogether and go off grid like me, and go mad as. Today I'm going to show you how to tie 3 of my favourite knots. A clove hitch. We go over our bar there like that. We've got 2 bits of our rope. There's our tail, there's our main line. Cross the rope there, back over the bar again and up through that hole again. Pull it tight. Easy. There's a bow line. We're going to put a loop. There's our rabbit. This is the hole. Okay, the rabbit is going up the hole. He's going to go around the tree, bit of exercise, and then it's going back down the hole, back home because it's dinner time. Pull that tight there, and there you have it, a nice loop. Okay, very handy knot. You can put a lot of pressure on a bow line, and they remain reasonably easy to undo. The last knot we're going to do is a figure 8 stopper knot. So grab the main part of the rope in our left hand, we have the tail in our right. We're going over the main rope there, and we're going to go back down that first hole that we made, and as you can see, that looks like a bit of a number 8 there, eh? Go good, go mad as.
Oh, trash.
Oh, there you are.
Finally.
We've been looking all over for you.
Oh, so much for going green.
It's not a political show, mate.
Man, I hate ants. I've been attacked. Hungry ants. I hate bugs.
We're in the bush, mate.
I hate the possum.
Remember to update your kit regularly. Be prepared, stay safe, and go mad as.
Show.
I hate the bugs. I hate the bush. I hate the possum. I want to go home.
1,000 miles that away.
That away?
That away.
I think I'll stay.
If you like us, and you know you do, hit the like button, ring that bell and subscribe, or I'm coming to your place. I've got cousins in the area.